Once ko siya makanta ngayon sa totoong araw ko, at kayo yung mga kasama ko sa pagkanta ng kasama ko. Kaya bigat ito. Challenge to sa akin talaga. Diyan na po, okay lang. Because this song, this next song I'm singing, is my wedding song. Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag na ito eh. Wait lang, hirapan ako dito. Ito kasi yung wedding vow ko talaga, tapos hindi ko ito masyadong hinakanta. They're just songs that you just wanna keep for yourself and for the person you wrote it for. But tonight, I wanna share this with all of you. This song's called, ito mismo yung kinanta ko sa altar. This song's called, Sigurado.
Tuwing tinatanong ang suko, saan ba ang laging ka? Tinuturo sa aking paghakilan, aking mga pangarap, laging sa'yo umaabot. Pag-ibig ko, ikaw ang aking payapa, ang aking hilom, dinalangin payapa. Sagot sa aking tanong, ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw ko sa dilim, sa mundo kong puro pero, ikaw ang aking sigurado. Ano pa mang daan, ilang pintuan may buksan, likod nito'y iyong pangalan. Tumigil man ang orasan, tinalintana ang ulan, pagkat natagpuan ang aking tahanan. Dinalangin payaman, sagot sa aking tanong, ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw ko sa dilim, sa bukas na darating, ikaw ang gabay kong bituin, saysay at dahilan ko, buhay ng aking kwento. Sa mundo kong puro pero, ikaw ang aking sigurado.
Bang kinanta ko yun? Day 2, para sa iyo yun. Pahirang tissue, brother. Ay, grabe. Ako kasi whenever I write my songs, parang lagi siyang personal. Lagi siyang, lagi siyang totoo na yung tipong wala kang pakialam kung magugustuhan ba ng ibang tao or hindi. Ano po? Ano muna ako? Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Hello po. Ayan. Tuloy ko yung kwento. Thank you po. Whenever I write my own songs, it's just, gusto ko siyang isulat na sigurado ako na gusto ko yung kanta at nalalabas ko siya kung paano ko siya gusto. Kung may mga songwriters dito, may mga panahon na hindi kayo sure sa mga kanta nyo, huwag niyong isipin kung ano isipin ng ibang tao. Kung maganda ba yung nasulat nyo, or hindi, huwag mo isipin kung anong iisipin nila. Write for you, kasi gusto mo magsulat. Ito na tatapos yun. Magsulat ka lang, ilabas mo yung puso mo. Wala kang pakialam kung isipin na lang, wadoy ba to, corny ba to, wala kang pakialam dun. Kung ano nasa puso mo, ilabas mo. Just like this next song I'm performing. Napaka-special din ito because this is the very first time I'm going to be playing keyboards on a performance, in a performance. Medyo magta-take time ako sa spills dito because this song is really, really different. Kahapon meron akong kantang isang original for day 1. Ito namang song na to is a day 2 exclusive. Kayo ang unang-unang makakarinig nito. Bear with me sa piano skills ko kasi kailangan ko lang, hindi ako ganun kagaling, but I'll try my best para sa inyo. When we went to Canada, tulad nung sinabi ko nag-band kami, we went to Canada 2023. There was a chance to see the Northern Lights. Pinost mo to. Tapos, mga kasama ko, they went to see the Northern Lights. Na-realize ko that night, hindi mo na ako sasama. Because if I was to see this wonder for the very first time, I wanted to see it with my wife. Tulad nung batang aware. Fast forward to 2024, we had a tour. Nakita namin yung Northern Lights together. Kasama kami. And I wrote a song about it. This song's called Aurora.
Aurora, I will wait for you. No, I'll see you soon. As you dance to my tune.
I'm telling you this is special because as I was writing the song, it started off as a song about the Northern Lights. But then, when the song progressed, songwriting happened, magic happened. I realized it wasn't just a song about the Northern Lights. It was actually a prayer of longing, or a prayer of waiting. This is the first time I'm ever going to share this. A prayer of waiting. And somehow, in God's time, pukon, hindi muna ngayon, pero pukon, in God's time, I'm not just going to see the Northern Lights, but I'm going to be able to see a little girl.
that time comes, God's time, we're gonna call her Aurora.
Now that you know the full context of the song,
Listen to the lyrics. Aurora, I will wait for you. No, I'll see you soon. 'Cause you dance to my tune. Aurora, I give my all for you. Let your colors bloom. I give you up my moon. And I can't wait to see the wonder of your beauty, a tapestry painted in majesty. Your melody, I know, will forever capture me. Aurora, I will wait for you. Aurora, only in your glow have I ever known this love beyond my own. Oh, I can't wait to see the wonder of your beauty, a tapestry painted in majesty. Your melody, I know, will forever capture me. Aurora, I will wait for Aurora. 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 I will wait for we will wait for